In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open the Google Calendar integration inside a Monday.com project workspace board. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer, then go to Monday.com and access the workspace board you want to use. Make sure you're opening the correct project board before moving forward, since integrations are connected to the specific board you're currently viewing. Once the board is fully loaded on your screen, take a quick moment to confirm that you can see the main board layout and the top header area clearly. Next, look toward the top right section of the board interface. In that header area, you'll find the integrations icon, which looks like a small puzzle piece. This is where Monday.com keeps the available connection options for linking your board with other tools and services. When you find the puzzle piece icon, click it once to open the integrations panel. After the integrations area opens, you'll usually see a search field or a list of available apps and automation connections. Go to the search bar and type in Google Calendar. This will help narrow the list so you can find the correct integration block more quickly, especially if there are many options displayed. Be sure to select the Google Calendar integration specifically, since there may be other Google-related integrations listed as well. Once you see the Google Calendar integration block appear in the results, click on it to open it. This will take you into the setup area for that integration, where you can continue configuring how your Monday.com board connects with Google Calendar. At this stage, the goal is simply to access the correct integration block, so as long as it opens successfully, you've completed the process. If the option doesn't appear right away, give the page a second to load and make sure your spelling in the search field is correct. It can also help to confirm that you're still inside the right board, since integrations are managed at the board level. And that's it. You've opened your chosen project workspace board in Monday.com. Using Chrome, accessed the integrations section from the top right header, searched for the Google Calendar integration, and selected it. From here, you're ready to move on to the next part of the setup.